guys, so this is why I love using Kucoin to trade cryptocurrencies, especially as a trade as a sports trader. You can be a sport trader or futures trader, margin trader, or anything. So it depends on you. But I have used Binance for years, and I think I am more convenient using Kucoin. And I want to share my experience with you because I believe this could actually help those just going into cryptocurrency trading. So this is not to market Kucoin or to demarket another platform, especially Binance. Binance is huge. I love Binance. In short, I trade on Binance too. Yes, but I also trade more on Kucoin because it has trading bots. Now, with this trading bot, you can easily predict directions. You can easily predict your profitability, especially when you use a whole lot of money to trade, like $1,000. So this is an opportunity for you to actually get involved in cryptocurrency, start making money using trading bots, using ideas of professionals, people that have been in the industry and they are already making progress. So guys, what are we waiting for? Just stay right there. I'll be right back and I'm going to show you where it is on the Kucoin mobile app and why I think it's cool, why you should use it and start trading with Kucoin bots trading opportunities. There are a lot of opportunities on Kucoin. They are not on Binance or any other platform. It is really cool. They are not paying me for this, but I'm telling you, the opportunities out there are just too much. So guys, what am I waiting for? If you need to register on Kucoin, go to the description section. You're going to see my link over there. Make sure you sign up and get started with your crypto trading career. Thanks for watching. I'll be right back. Stay right there and watch this video to the end. So guys, welcome back. This is how the Kucoin platform works. Once you log into the app, you look up and you would see the trading bot. All you have to do is to click on the trading bot. You have to sign in. Once you sign into your account, there are different markets on cryptocurrencies. That's especially if you are using platforms like Binance, like Kucoin, and Hop. So one thing with this platform, this particular platform, is like I told you, is that it has trading bots, which I am not sure Binance has added to its platform. So on this one, we have the spot trade. Normally, we have the futures, we have the martingale, we have the smart rebalance, infinity grid, and all. So for someone like me, I would always go with a spot grid because I am more of a spot trader than futures trader. So you have to determine if what you want is the daily profit, the 7 days profit, or whatever you want. So it depends on you. Now you have to select the coin you want to trade, the pair. Yeah. So this is KCS USDT, and this is the profit that's made. So per annum rate is about 125%. So you have to select whatever trade you want. That's following a particular bot. It says use the same parameters to create your order. So I think these things are actually more reasonable for people with large funds, like I've always said in my videos, because if you look at this, it said due to the difference in market conditions, these parameters are not guaranteed to deliver you the same result. So you just have to choose a price range, and you expect your profit. So they said profit grades, so it all depends on you guys. What are you waiting for? They said entry price and profit rate. So about 2% interest is almost guaranteed on this platform. So this is exactly why I prefer this platform. Apart from other features on the platform, I love it because of the possibilities it has. Especially with these trading bots. You are almost, just imagine this. These guys' annual return is about 23,000%. Can you imagine that? So using a futures grid bot to trade, I think you have a long way to go because you are going to make a whole lot of money from this thing. That's the truth. Although there might be losses, but sincerely I see a whole lot of opportunities right here. This is why I love Kucoin. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll always be here to give you good content. Bye for now.